Sammy, let's go.
Let's go.
Before he crushed my skull, Lucifer showed me his face, his true face.
I've seen it too. What he really looks like behind whatever vessel. That still keeps me up at night.
No!
Suck it. I said I had plans.
Will you invite me in?
Yes.
Now repeat after me. We offer up our lives, blood, soul, to complete this tribute